YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy Lord Bender back at it again with another banger video, man. And as y'all can see, we are back on the head mount with another POV drive, man. It is currently 12:42 a.m. Feel me, late night POV. And yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. This will be a banger video. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna get straight to it. As you can see, we're pulling off from the gas station. Hopefully y'all can see everything clear as day, because I do have 15% windshield tint, so it might be a little too dark, but I mean, y'all should be good. I'm gonna try to open my sunroof, so hopefully that helps, and obviously it doesn't. But y'all should be able to see, like, you know, pretty much some stuff. So I'm gonna try and put the windows down. We're gonna make this an interesting video. I'm gonna make her scream. And yeah, y'all, like I said, once again, I am in my 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack. So yeah, do me a favor, y'all, just smash that like button, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Give me the 50K subs. We are on our way to 50K, man. Like I said, I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're gonna hurry up and get straight to it. You already know we in track mode, of course. We gotta be in track, man. You already know the drill. We got 75 miles, so let's see how many miles we gonna end off with. Turn this traction on real quick. Hopefully the angle look good to y'all. I would try and keep this on the entire time, but I feel like that wouldn't make sense. And yeah, hopefully it's straight and all that. I'm still getting used to this head mount, so yeah, y'all, let's get to it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's wake the state up, y'all. Downshift sound like a cat. Let's hit the highway real quick. Y'all can't tell me these downshifts don't sound like a Hellcat, dog. All it's missing is the whine. Even though we are in Mexico, I'm not gonna go too crazy above the speed limit, the imaginary speed limit. I'm gonna keep it calm, but I'm gonna still make it rowdy. Feel me? Is this a cop behind me? I don't know. Oh my god. Windows up. Hopefully y'all not hearing too much wind. Let me know if y'all want me to make a video of me hitting my top speed. I will make a video of hitting the top speed. But y'all know, of course, we gotta block the speedometer off. But you know, I'll let y'all know if we hit that top speed. Y'all gonna see how fast I'm going, man, in that video. So if y'all want that video, let me know, and I got y'all. Try to do a quick 40 to 60 or 40 to 70 real quick. Let's go down to like 40 real quick. Come on, come on. Here we go, y'all. Let's go lower than that. Let's go to 30. Y'all ready? Let's hit it. Let's hit a 30 to 70. 3, 2. $30 to $80. Oh my God. She is screaming. I wish there was traffic so I can cut in and out, you feel me? Make this video a little bit more interesting, but it's a late night POV, man. I'm just doing it for my supporters, y'all. If you really a supporter, man, y'all gotta stay tuned to the end. This ain't gonna be that long of a video. Just take 10 minutes out of your day watching your boy Lord Bender. Feel me? Do I hear a whine? Am I tripping? We're gonna get some city POV too. Some city action too. I did put the window back down. Bust this right real quick, y'all. Bust this right real quick, y'all. That was a cot right there, I ain't gonna lie. Forget how the car sounds when I hit the gas, but y'all gotta really listen to the downshifts, bro. Like, the downshifts is where it's at, bro. Like, yeah, the car sound good when I hit the gas, but when I downshift, bro, this sound crazy. It's like it wants to take off. Like, look, third gear, second gear, look. Oh my God, first gear. It's like it wants to lift off, bro. Hopefully this camera angle not a little to the side or anything like that. By the way, how y'all liking my stars, man? How y'all think I did with the stars? Put the stars on the pillars. Got the ambient lighting in here. It's like this car wants to take off, bro. nobody on the road. I mean, it is 1 o'clock in the morning on a Tuesday or Wednesday morning. Bust the U-turn real quick. Bust the U right here. Ugh. Put the windows all the way down real quick for y'all. We gonna give y'all a couple more pulls, then we gonna end it, y'all. If you still watching this, make sure you hit that bell. Once again, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. This was just a calm little POV drive, nothing crazy. A little late night type POV. And let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see, man, moving forward. Give y'all a couple more pulls and we gonna end it. I do not know if 12 is out here, but I do not want to get pulled over at 1 o'clock in the morning. She is loud. She is rowdy. Oh my God. Alright, we done, y'all. I think that's 12 behind me. And yes, I'm being dead serious. Y'all not gonna see him, but he gonna hit this right. I think. Nah, he went straight. He made a left. Alright, y'all. We gonna end this video, man. I'm gonna start to head home and go to bed. I'm tired as hell. So, once again, make sure you smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. But we gonna end this video here, man. It's your boy Lord Bender, the one and only lorShift. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next banger video. Peace. Boom.
Simple as that.